checking out the wall drug 80-foot dinosaur here. Home of everything from 10,000 boots to food, anything else your heart could desire.
Go, dinosaur, go!
Pharmacy.
Church. Chapel.
Little chapel. Drugstore. The good stuff.
What do you say?
What are you doing? That's a bucking horse. You better hold on tight. Wall Drug offered free ice water during the Great Depression to travelers passing by. Free water at Wall Drug.
There you go.
Stop in, get your free ice water, 5-cent coffee, pie and ice cream, donuts, and visit their many shops and attractions. Veterans, stop in and get your free donut and coffee. Give him pie and then donuts and then try to give him one of his puffs. We're in the back lot of Wall Drug. We have a bunch of memorabilia on the walls. Dinosaur eats every 12 minutes.
It's gonna eat Lily. We're gonna feed you to the dinosaur.
Minuteman Missile Silo is just down the road from Wall. From 1963 to the early 1990s, the Delta 09 was fully operational. It is also one of 150 missiles spread across western South Dakota. This is ran by the National Park Service, which means Lily got a Junior Ranger badge. Be sure to stop at the Visitor Center in both the Delta 1 and Delta 9 missile silos. We're at Mount Moriah Cemetery, where Wild Bill and Calamity Jane and some others are buried. It's $2 entry fee for 13 and up, 12 and under is free. Wear some sunscreen, good walking shoes, and go tour a cemetery. Very first cemetery was built down in town, and they started moving everybody up here as it was higher up, and they thought the cemetery down lower would make better land to build houses and what is now hotels and casinos.
Yeah.
And up to 2006 they found their last body so far.
So people were like digging in gardens and stuff, just finding the old, because they built all these houses right over the top of the old cemetery.
Ended off and said it was a male between I think 25 and 28
that they reburied, but a lot of those happened. I mean, for 100 years they were finding people and doing that. So never heard of them relocating entire cemeteries like that. You ready? Let's keep walking up this hill, huh? So we made it up to the Seth Bullock family plot, and on the map it says that there was about 120 people that they reburied in this little area right here when they moved the cemetery. And if you look, you walk around, they don't actually say gravesite or anything, but they've got a bunch of these. It says surveying, and they're marked all over the place. And if you look, you got them right here, all the way across in a straight line, and then right below it there's another line of them. So my guess is that when they came and scanned this area to survey it, it says it was done, I think it was 2006 I saw that on one of those markers. But my guess is that's each one of them was one of the bodies that was transferred up here. Yeah, 2016 is when that was done. So
Jacob's Brewhouse is right in town and a great spot to grab a bite and a beer. The brewery is attached to the restaurant. Right behind Jacob's is a playground where Lily burned off some of her energy.
Hannah's pulling double duty. spinning the merry-go-round and carrying Hunter, he finally woke up from his nap.
Now my name is Con Stapleton, and I was the first and only town marshal in Deadwood. So I think I'm gonna swear in all you kids as official Deadwood deputies. Raise your right hands.
Raise your hand.
And repeat after me nice and loud. I state your name.
Lily Roberts.
And help track down that low down. People in Deadwood decided they want a little law and order around here. They hired me, Con Stapleton, to be Deadwood's first and only town marshal. But according to the Laramie Treaty of 1868, Black Hills, including Deadwood, were a part of the Great Sioux Reservation. So I really had no jurisdiction here at all.
All right, nobody moving, nobody get hurt. That goes for you too, Law Dog.
You boys take care of Lud. I'm gonna take this scumbag to jail.
This is Jerry Greer's Engineering. They specialize in all of the rebuilds of these old Indians.
Roughlock Falls is a 2.1 mile trail near Lead. There's a parking lot towards the top of the falls that makes the trip a little shorter, or you can park at the bottom and hike to the top. So we decided to surprise Lily. We came to Manuel Brothers Park over in Leeds. It's a real short drive from Deadwood. They have a small play area for kids up to 5. They have some swings, some handicap swings. They have up from 5 to 12-year-old play area. They have bathrooms, a merry-go-round. They have a little area over here to run, play soccer, baseball, picnic tables, benches, places to make music, a little rope to balance on, and a beam. And then a bonus, you got a little splash pad. You just hit a button and it starts going. Lily and Colin already ran through it. Hunter and I put our arms and feet in there. But it's really a good place to get out a bunch of energy, and there's a little birthday party going on. So if you're in the area, come check it out. And Twisted Brewery for a Harvest Host stay. This was the only area in South Dakota we have had an internet and cell phone coverage issue. We were able to visit the other breweries and wineries in the area as well. And now for our brewery entertainment.
Small, little, teapot, short, and stout. Here is the handle. Here is the spout. I get all steamed up. Hear me shout. Tip me over and for me.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Tune in next week as we explore Rapid City and Custer, South Dakota.